officially been 3 months since I went to Turkey and got myself a little hair transplant, so let me give you beautiful people a little update. So first of all, yes, let's point out the obvious. We're not looking too phenomenal right now, but that's expected. I mean, we're only 3 months in. It takes 4 to 6 months before you even begin to notice results from a hair transplant, and it takes up to a year to see your full results. So we're on schedule. Now, I got right here, all the way here done. I got about 4,000 grafts. Let's talk about where I'm at. Let's talk about how recovery's been, how everything's been going. And yeah, that's the point of an update. First things first, I want to highlight my donor area. Now, yes, I'm going to be shaving this down as I did before because I need to shave the sides down while the top has got like nothing in order to let it grow. But my donor area is very, very, very clean. You can tell, I mean, it looks like I never even got it operated on. It looks like there's no hair missing. I got hair taken from the sides and the back. And let me tell you something, we're only 3 months in, it already looks like nothing is missing. Now, second thing, I'm under direct light, so it's purposely like the worst it could possibly look, but I feel like it's good for the video, the way you can truly see it. But if we look very close, I got a little pimple right here right now. They said around this time you get maybe a pimple or two around the transplanted area. That's completely normal. If that happens to you, if you get a transplant, don't pop it. Let it go. It's fine. Who cares? Now, yes, sometimes I wear hair fibers out in public, or I'll just throw on a hat. You can wear a hat after 10 days after the transplant. So, you know, no one really even sees it. The worst part about it right now is people that know I got a transplant always come up to me. They're like, let me see how it's looking. They know I got a transplant like months ago, and then it looks like this, and they're like, well, it seems like it's not working. It's not how it works. You got to be patient. Now, we're only 3 months in, but if you look very, very closely, you could start to see some little dots. Just a few. Nothing's really poking out yet, but there's a few dots that are... And also, you guys can't feel my head, but when I touch my scalp compared to the back, right? Because the back still looks pretty rough right now, but it's expected. My hair looks the worst it's ever going to look right now because of the shedding phase that I went through. And I'm going back next year to get the back done. So the back hasn't been operated on yet. And when I touch the back compared to when I touch here, I can feel like little spikes. Just ever so slightly. Because it's slightly starting to poke through. Now, next month, on month 4, I'm sure we'll start to see it a little bit. Month 5, month 6, it'll really start coming in just a little bit. Still won't look good at all. Around like month 8 is when it should start kind of looking a little decent. Not like a full head of hair, but you can tell that boy got the transplant coming in. Now, yes, I've been doing my hair routine every single day. If you want to see what I'm doing, check my previous video. I did a whole breakdown of it. But the main 2 things are minoxidil and finasteride. It's a necessity. You have to do this after a transplant in order to keep the native hairs healthy, because if you don't do that, your native hairs can still fall out, and then you're just going to have the transplanted hair, and you're going to be balding in the opposite way that you were before, and then it was all for nothing. So you need to do it 100%. But the transplanted hair that's on my scalp, that will never fall off. That is completely in my scalp forever. Also, a little update on my personal life, since I feel like I've just been posting only hair content, like literally only nothing about me in forever. You know, just turned 22 a couple weeks ago. Happy birthday to me. This is my cat Maggie, and she's adorable. And yeah, I got a motorcycle too, so I've been having fun. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and hope you enjoyed a little update. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.